Looking for a hearty, comforting meal that won't break the bank? Today, I'm making a low-budget beef stew using ground beef. And trust me, it's full of flavor. In a bowl, add the ground beef, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, thyme, and smoked paprika. Mix well. In a separate bowl, beat the egg with the seasoning powder. Then add it to the meat mixture. Mix until well combined. Add breadcrumbs and mix again until everything comes together. Form the mixture into balls, any size you like. Heat oil in a pan and cook the beef balls until browned on all sides. Remove and set aside. Using the same pan, sauté the onions until soft. Add garlic and celery, then cook until fragrant. Sprinkle in the flour and mix well to remove lumps. Slowly add the beef broth while stirring. Bring to a boil. Add carrots and potatoes. Let simmer until half cooked. Add the beef balls back into the pan. Simmer until everything is fully cooked and the sauce thickens. Finish with dried parsley, black pepper, fresh basil, and chili flakes for a little heat. And there you go. An affordable, comforting beef stew that tastes like it took hours to make. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more budget-friendly and delicious meals. See you in the next video.